yeah, so that was an eventful morning. Took a nice ride this morning. I wanted to film some Cosmos. Follow on the bike Cosmos. And me being clever, thinking I'm clever, unfortunately failed somewhat. So yeah, but at least the drone's to the right. As I was travelling nicely along the route, just following perfectly on parallel mode, and I made the rookie mistake of forgetting that there are no side sensors on the drone. There's only forward, under, backward, nothing side. So the drone was flying nicely, following me along the route, and all of a sudden it got stuck in a tree. Oh my goodness. Fun and games. So yeah. Shit. There I was climbing the tree, trying to get the drone out of the tree. Rookie mistake, and then it plummeted to the ground. I checked it afterwards and it seems to be working fine. Thank goodness for that. Damn it. Silly mistake, but yeah, that's part of the fun of flying a drone. Active track. Yes. Rookie mistake, Robert. Rookie mistake. Oh well. We live and we learn. From last week Saturday in the Witteberger, a lovely ride, absolutely brilliant ride in the Witteberger. But yes, almost lost the drone last week Saturday, and this week Saturday I flew the drone into a tree. So yeah, fun and games. off the road flying into the tree. Yay!